In our last video, we learned how to install the Docker desktop application. In the upcoming videos, we will also explore other Docker commands, so stay tuned. From this video, we are going to start learning AWS. AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. It is a cloud platform offering on-demand computing, storage, databases, networking, and security through a pay-as-you-go model. Key services include EC2, S3, RDS, VPC, and Lambda. In this video, we will take a look at AWS ECS. It is a fully managed container orchestration service by AWS. It allows you to run and scale Docker containers on a cluster of EC2 instances or by using AWS Fargate, which is serverless. Now, let's understand how it works. First, we build Docker images and push them to Amazon ECR. Then, we define ECS task definitions, specifying containers and their resources. Next, we create ECS services linked to a load balancer, choose EC2 or Fargate for running tasks, and configure auto-scaling. Finally, monitoring and updates are managed through CloudWatch, enabling seamless and scalable containerized application deployment. Let's deploy a demo Docker image. If you don't have an AWS account, create one, as it is easy to set up. Search for ECS in the console search bar and create an ECS cluster. Inside this cluster, we will run task definitions. For this demo, I will use AWS Fargate. Note that AWS Fargate is not included in the free tier, so you will be charged a few cents for creating this. Next, create a task definition within the cluster and run it by creating a service. In this demonstration, I am using the Nginx demo image. AWS Fargate manages most of the infrastructure, so minimal manual configuration is required. While creating the service, you need to create an application load balancer to allow public access to the image. You also need to create a target group, which you can name as you prefer. Once the service is created, you can access it using the load balancer DNS name. Initially, you might encounter an error because the inbound rule for allowing HTTP traffic has not been configured. To fix this, update the security group to allow HTTP traffic and then refresh the page. All set. I will explain the services you can access in the next video, so stay tuned.